Hi guys, welcome to gun game. The rules are simple. You gotta shoot him twice to get upgraded gun. Each time you upgrade a gun, you get, when you get to this gun, that means he has 6 lives to get out, and then you're the winner. Ow! Dang it! And you also start on the 1. If you start on the 1, that means you're on your next gun. You only have to hit him once because it's a pistol. But he's already on his next gun, which is the shotgun. So I gotta get in the game, guys. Okay. He's doing dirty. He has to hit me. He has to hit me twice now. Ah!
I got him.
He got me once.
Guys, I got him.
Oh, so now he has to hit me one more time and he gets the upgraded gun.
I got my bullet, guys. Dude.
Hey, don't talk to him. Just play. Okay. All right, I'm on my next gun.
I want to be on my next.
Oh no. Ah, I don't care. Ah, crap. Oh,
You hit my gun.
I don't care.
Hit the tip of my gun.
Just let me get on my next gun. Ah!
Yes, I got it.
Oh, dang it. Hey, but I got this. Got to seal the deal. Okay, so I'm on my next gun. So, thing is this game, all the guns are available once you get them. So I can either keep my pistol, or I can stay on the shotgun. I'm gonna go on shotgun. So, he's got this gun. That's a sniper. Shoot. No. I'm sucking, guys. Oh.
Yeah, I just...
Crap.
Here we go.
Oh, I gotta get under. Ow!
I got you.
Once.
How many times ago I got to get you this time?
3. Ah!
Ah.
Ah! Ah! Ow! Get! Ah! You're on your next gun, dagnabbit! Ow! You're not on your next gun. Hey, those don't count. Those don't count. Ah! I've hit you.
Dude, it's going crazy.
Oh no, that was close though. I'm not even loaded.
I'm not.
On my next gun. There we go. Okay, let's go. All right, let's do some reloading. Okay, good. We're on the next gun. But he's on his automatic though. He has to hit me 10 times now and he wins. Frick. I don't have any cover. Ow! This is not fair spamming. Okay. I need a ammo sort here. So every bullet that's in here, I'm gonna put in there. That thing has 6 shots. You can choose to spray with it if you need to. It's a pretty cool gun. Actually, the Elite, it's called the Elite 2. The Eagle Point, I think is what it is. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't know if he's definitely out of ammo. He shot me a few times there. So there's the last bullet. It's in that tree. So I'm on my gun. He's on that one. He has to shoot me 10 times and he wins. So I need to get in the game here. I gotta shoot him 3 times. the heck did you just do? Crap.
Wait.
No,
The camera's not started, bro.
Well, then start it, bro. Why is it not already started?
It's still not started.
I don't care. I might not use this camera. So.
Yes, there's a bullet in the freaking dog bowl. Son, hit my freaking GoPro. What the heck?
I gotta hit you twice. That's through.
It's not.
One more time.
You didn't even hit me.
Oh, mother crapper. That's 9.
Oh, you can't block my gun.
Yeah, I did last time. I'm upgraded. I'm upgraded. All right. Yeah. I'm on 8. You're now on 10. I'm on my final gun, bro. Don't you dare. That's so cheating. Oh, you sucker. Oh, you sucker.
Hey, you sucker.
You're the one, bro. You're hiding.
You're hiding behind the door.
Gotcha, that's 9.
I got you.
Oh, God. I dare you to walk out in that hallway. I dare you. Shoot. Not like that. I'm on 7.
Yeah, you were. You got me once.
No! I'm out.
I don't care.
Oh, frick.
Dude, he's crazy.
You're on 7. Oh, God. Oh, frick. Frick you, that's so cheating.
You didn't get me.
Oh, no. Hey, ow. You're in my base. Get out. None of these are counting because you're in my base.
Hey, you were at my base.
I don't care. Go. I'm down to 5. You are down to 6.
I shot you a couple times there.
Yeah. I was at 8, Air. I'm at 5 now. Bro, I need bullets. That's bullets, but come on, I need more than that. Oh, there's at least plenty here. Oh yeah, there's tons of them back here. I can sure as heck. What is that? Cricket? Oh, what's up, buddy? Okay. I'm doing a reload stock. That's where I fired him.
Ah! God, you
Oh, ow! Like that floor! I'm on him! I surrender! No! Not let it go my base! Not let it go my base! No! Arr! Stop it! Yes, you're empty! Get out of here! You didn't hit me! You hit me once! I'm down to 4! Oh no! That was so stupid! Bro, he's only down to 6! Alright. I'm gonna have to do some reloading here. Bruh. I really want to get him. Cause what the heck? How did these get there? I don't even know. It'd be really, really cool if I did a certain shot that I would like to nail, just because I think it's so cool. So, do I have any more of those? No, but I have tons that go to this gun. Okay, we're reloading everything. That's our plan. Reload everything and hope it works out. So we're gonna get the sniper. And okay, let's load pistol. I'm reloading as fast as I can, while at the same time panicking as bad as I can. So I'm holding these. Taking 4 with me. This is all I can hold, so let's get the sniper. Or let's get the automatic up. So everything's up and running. I think I'm gonna set up a trap for him here. So that's my goal right now. I'm gonna go out there and start a battle with a few guns, and then get him. So that's the game plan. That's our game plan. Frick. Hey, I'm reloading. Go away.
Reloading when you shot me.
Go away. I have a trap set up.
You can't say my name.
Bro, I'll bleep it. 33. Nope. Hey. Buddy, I got a trap set up for you. I would not come in here. Yeah, get back.
Oh, Mom.
He just yelled at my mother. I guess that's a Nerf gun battle for real. Okay, shotgun, you're back up. But we're gonna load you. And here's the trick. This is the trap, guys. Well, that was not supposed to happen. So pardon my mother. She's doing things. So I'm gonna try to get a 360 no scope sniper. Let's go! Oh, oh, you just stepped into my trap! Miss me! You come back here! Just come out and fight me like a man! No, you did not! Woo! You gotta change it then. That or you're out of ammo. We are not pausing. We are middle. Yeah, sure about that. You said that. I said that, and you ran right into mine. Bro, you're at 4. I'm at 3. Sounds good. Come on out, buddy. Chicken, come on! Hey! Show yourself! You chicken!
The gun's great.
I don't care. Show yourself.
Fair.
You're on 4, I'm on 3. How is it not fair? Come on, buddy. What are you, Jim? Oh! Out! I'm out of ammo! Gotcha. Did miss me? Bro, let's go! That snipe was crazy! Did I get you? Because you're at 3 too. Hey.
I'm armed.
Yeah, no dip, and you got your best weapon too, a pistol. I hate when I get cornered like this, but this time I'm gonna get a gun. Yep. Ah, crap!
Best one at aiming?
Oh no. Out of my base! You said it yourself. Hey, that's also in my base! That did not count as my base! No, it did not!
That did not count. I was in your base.
Oh, you... You hit me! Ow! Woo! Dude, I'm at 2! And you're at 2! Yeah! I just hit you!
Oh, yeah.
Activate!
One hit, you're done.
I know! Ah! That one's almost hit me! We're both at 1, guys. So when I hit you in the head, don't cry about it. Well, I'm not doing anything that's anything to do with something. I would not come in. No, with base, no coming to base. Frick you! Oh, you suck. You are gonna. Ah! Why do you must? Yo, back off so. She's about to come in. I need you to back off so you get behind the Christmas tree. So we don't have to cut. I have pretty much won the game. I hit you earlier. I'm gonna replay it. Yeah! Oh my gosh, Air. Oh, dude. Well, good thing we just finished. RCMTV coming through here. Just wanted to say that yes, we're gonna do some North Gun videos. Who cares?